Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta Exchange. Still struggling to set up my camera. So before that, I became too busy with tomorrow's traders meet in Dubai. So by Monday, it should be all right. Coming back to the market. So what a volatile market. The Bank Nifty was up more than 600, 700 point and then came down 600, 700 point. So another day of more than 1000 point move. I don't know why HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank ADRs both were higher significantly yesterday in US markets. And because of that, today there was a gap up and then Bank Nifty moved and then came the selling. As usual, when banking stocks falling, IT stocks supported. And today, nobody knows why TCS has shot up more than 3%. Why Infosys also shot up 3%. So overall, this is a very, very terrible market. And who would have expected Nifty to take out the all-time high about 2-3 days before? Nifty went to 21,100. From there, it shot up more than 1,000 point and now hit a fresh all-time high today just by only 1 point. And then I don't know who pressed the sell button exactly when Nifty touched the all-time high and the fall was terrible. And global cues were okay. US futures were still higher and this volatility since the beginning of February is really killing the traders, especially people who have been trading intraday. I think today there were a lot of freak trades happen in Sensex option. I think now people are trading, more and more people are trading in Sensex options also. So overall, this market is for investors and not for day traders surely. The day traders are feeling the heat and markets are going all over the places. So number one, Nifty took all the three resistance in just one day. I told you 21,825, 22,000, and then 22,124. All three resistances were taken out in just one day, and then came the huge selling. So markets are volatile. As I told you, for the last more than 5 weeks, markets have not gone anywhere. And volatile, going up, coming down. And more importantly, HDFC Bank. I think this HDFC Bank is the bigger dragger in the market. No matter what other stocks are doing, HDFC Bank is still not at all recovering. And HDFC Bank, the high is around 1700. And it is struggling to cross even 1500 now. Whereas most other stocks are doing extremely well. But unfortunately, HDFC Bank is the one having the highest weightage in Nifty. Today, FIIs have bought for 70 crore. The domestic institutions have bought for 2,400 crore. So the net institutional flow is positive from both the people, but still don't know why the market went up in the morning and also don't know why the market came down in the evening. So overall, as I told you earlier, November and December, Nifty shot up 3,000 points, 2 months. And then probably the next 2 months market may be going for a consolidation, but this consolidation is happening with a huge volatility. So number one, Nifty took the resistance around 22,125 two times, and market should not fall significantly from here. If the markets fall significantly from here, then 22,125 become a double top. Then that will be very difficult to take out. The market should quickly recover from here, or at least it has to stop falling. But however, I don't see any danger for this rally because even right now, GIFT Nifty indicating about 50-60 point gap up just by looking at this FII DI data plus the global cues. So I think Monday markets may stabilize. Even today, Nifty is a very, very decent move, nearly 200 points. But it is only the Bank Nifty that dragged the market. Today, only the financial stocks came down. Except financial stocks, all other sectors have done exceedingly well. And Tata Motors result has come. So result seems to be very good. The profit has almost doubled. So the corporate results also seems to be good. So let us see where Monday we open. So I think markets may consolidate around 20,000 plus or minus 200, 300 points for the rest of the series. For the rest of the series, there are no important events. Of course, RBI policy is there this week, Thursday, but that is a non-event. US also, most of the events are over. In US, only one more company, NVIDIA. So that result is very, very important. But I think that will be coming not even next week, I think the following week. So therefore, for the next 4 or 5 trading sessions, that it means the next week, the markets, may consolidate with some kind of a volatility, and option traders are hoping the time value will work in their favor. So it's a disappointing trading day for banking stocks, but for Nifty, it is still bullish. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.